Hello everyone. The topic for today is the use of password command in Linux. So what we are going to learn today is we are going to learn how to change the password for a user account, how to delete the password, how to lock password, and finally we are going to test our understanding regarding whatever we have learned about the password command. Now to change the user password, the command is password, PASSWD. Okay, don't write PASSWORD word. Don't write the full word. And the syntax is pretty simple. You write password, certain options if you want to use, and then the name of the user whose password you want to change. Now if you can see here, the login name is also optional. Since it is in square brackets, this means that it is optional. Why it is optional? If you are using the password command to change your own password, then you need not write the login name. But if you are the admin and you want to change the password for some other user, then you need to specify the login name also. So let us take a small example here. Now let us first check who the user is, who the current user is. So I will write who am I. So it shows me that the current user is Rohit. Now I want to change my own password. So if I write password, and I need not to write the username because I'm going to change my own password. So it asks you what is the current password. So I will write here the current password and then the new password. So I've written the new password. It will not show anything, but it is typing. Retype it. Now if you don't choose a password, if the criteria is set by the system, like in this case I typed a simple password 12345, so it says you need to choose a longer password. So I will retype something which fits the criteria of the system. Alright, so now the password is updated. So this is how it works. Password, and then if you are using your own, if you are changing your own password, then you need not to write any username. Simply it will ask you the current password and the new password. Okay, this is the simplest of the use. Now the next thing is who can change the password. So remember that the user can only change his own password only. But for all other users, if you want to change the password, then the only option left is the admin account. Okay, so the admin can change the password of any user. So we have seen the example where the user was able to change his own password. So let us now take an example where the admin changes the some other user's password. Now I'm going to change the password for Rohit, but this time I'm not Rohit. Who am I? I am Baljit, right? So this is a different user. Now as this user, this is an admin account too. I'm not going to switch into the admin account. That you can do by using the su command. Here I'm going to show you the use of sudo command, where sudo gives you the admin rights. So I'm going to change the password of Rohit, okay, from the admin account. So using the sudo command. So new password. Now it will not ask me the original password because I'm the admin, right? I don't know what is the password of Rohit. So this gives me a chance where if Rohit has forgotten his password, he can simply go to the admin and ask him to change the password. Okay. So whatever is the new password, let us suppose I type in the new password. And that's it. The password has been successfully changed by the admin for the user Rohit. Now, what are the options available with the password command? So first of the option is deleting the password of a user. Now this is very helpful if the user forgets his or her password, right? Then you can simply go to the admin and ask him to delete the password. Okay, rather than resetting it where the admin will still know what is the password. So the best option is just ask the admin to delete it, and the option is -D. So now let's see how we do it. So if I want to shift now to the Rohit account, what I will write SU and I will write Rohit. That will ask me what is the password of Rohit. So this means that the password of Rohit account is set. Who am I? Now it is Rohit. Okay. So let us now switch back to the other user account. And now I will use the -T option and delete the password on Rohit. So as a super user, I'm going to use password -d on the account Rohit. So it says the expiry information has changed. Now if Rohit wants to log in, so su Rohit, it never asks for the password. Who am I? Now I am the Rohit user. Okay, so the password has been deleted. The next option is locking a user password. Now once the password is locked, the user will not be able to log in. Okay, so this is the case where as an admin you might suspect someone and you want to lock his password, or the user is not following the orders, so you might want to limit the access that he is not able to access the system anymore. So the option is -L. So now let us lock the account of the Rohit user. So the command is password -L and then the username. So expiry information change. Now if Rohit wants to log in, you type the password now and he will get a message that authentication failure. So even if I'm typing the password correct, okay, it is still not allowing me to log in by giving me an error authentication failure. The third command is unlocking the user password. So if you have locked the user password, you might want to unlock it also. So the option is -U. So now we are going to unset the password by using the -U option on Rohit. It is changed. If I now try to log in with Rohit, password is correct and it is able to log in. The next option is to expire the user password. Now let us suppose that as an admin you doubt that the user has compromised his password. So you want him to change his password forcefully. So even if you are giving him the warning, he is not changing it. Now you want that whenever he logins the next time, he is prompted to change the password by the system, right? So the option is -E. Now I have not used the -E option so far. So if I try to log in with the account Rohit, it asks me the password and now I am able to log in, right? So let's switch back. Now I will use the password -E option to expire the password for the user Rohit. Okay, it has now changed. Now let us try to log in as Rohit. It asks for the password. Now it has forcefully asked the user to change the password. So first I will enter the current password. The new password has to be different from the old password. If you type in the same, it will not allow you to change that password. Okay, so it has to be something new. Alright, there you go. We have now set the new password for the user Rohit. Who am I? It's Rohit. Okay. The last option is to set minimum password lifetime. Now what do you mean by minimum password lifetime? It means that the minimum number of days the user has to wait until the password can be changed again. Sometimes the users, they reset the password too frequently. So you don't want that. You want the users to wait for certain fixed amount of days. For example, let us suppose 7 days or 8 days. So once the user changes the password, he will not be able to reset it until those many days has passed away. Alright. So you can use the -N option to do it. So let us see how it works. Now we have just reset the password for Rohit. Alright. But if I use sudo password -N and then I give a number, let us suppose I give 5 and Rohit. Alright, now if I log in with Rohit, so the user Rohit has logged into the system and he now tries to change the password. Changing password, something went wrong. Let's do it again. Okay, now it give you an error. You must wait longer to change your password because the password time has been set to 5 days. So minimum waiting period is 5 days for this user. I hope that you have understood how to use the password command. So now it is time to test yourself. So the first question is, this is a user Chris who has not changed his password for 1 year. As an admin, you want that Chris should change his password immediately on next login. What are your options? So try it out on your own. The second question is, as an admin, you want that if any user whose password has expired does not reset it within 5 days, his or her account should be disabled automatically. How can you do it? Okay, so you want the user to change the password within 5 days of expiration. If not, then the account should be disabled. So how you can do it? Using the password command. So try out these two questions on your own. If you have any doubt, you can put up a query in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer it. So that was all from my side. For any further details, go to this link and do not forget to subscribe. Please keep sharing, keep watching DexTutor. See you next time. Take care.